Alright, go ahead and install my second cabinet hardware. First video you saw me install the one on the right. Now I'm going to do the one on the left. Same process. Use a template, makes it much easier. Of course you could always use a template made out of cardboard or something, but decided to get one, just it's easy, won't break the template, it'll be the same every single time. And this cabinet hardware, I'm using this. Again, there's holes on this cabinet hardware. The holes I'm going to be using is this one and this one, okay? Or if you couldn't see that, this one and that one. All right, just going to put this right here, nice and flush. Got a pencil, marking the holes, marking the other holes. Alright, do I see the holes? I see I pre-made a hole there and I marked a hole there. Now all I need to do is drill. Just drill. Make sure. Just want to let you know, I like using a drill tip that has a little smaller tip right there. If you could see that tip has a smaller starter tip that helps you get a more precise hole. So you just align that there. Sometimes this is what takes me the longest to make sure the holes are aligned, because you don't want to be off by a lot, otherwise it will look crooked. There's the first hole. Now making sure my next hole is right here. I already pre-marked this hole. Get that just right. Turn it so I can see it a little bit. Get it right in the center of my marked hole. And just drill straight in. By the way, since I've already done several of these, I know when I drill straight in, I won't hit this piece of wood right here. But that's all I need to do. So then, next step is just putting this in. I already have this. Have my screws. Oops. Got my screws, and all it is now is just sticking the screw through the hole. You can't see that right now. Hold on. There we go. Just stick them to the hole. They go directly to the hole. By the way, these are 8-32 American sized screws. Put them in. Then all you have to do is use a screwdriver and just screw them in tight. That's it. Now, them on both sides. There you go. That's how easy it is to install cabinet hardware.